Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have officially hit 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, I am so grateful for all of you here who are new. We had a really big uptick the last couple of weeks, so I feel like a lot of you are new. So for those of you who are, hi. My name is Sarah and I love reviewing beauty products. I love clean beauty, I love regular beauty, I love skincare, makeup, all of that. And so I'm so happy that you have chosen my channel as one of your channels that you watch while you are doing what you do. So with that, I will say thank you so much again. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's been just 2.5 months ago that I decided to start my channel. I'm so excited to have gotten to talk to a lot of you on here. And this is my giveaway. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me using my favorite products. And then I'm gonna do a giveaway. You can skip to the giveaway if you're a skipper, but a lot of the products that are gonna be in the giveaway, I'm gonna use on my face. So it could be an opportunity for us to chat. Yeah, let's get into this. Hello, you are all zoomed into the face and now we can start prepping the skin for makeup. So I just wanted to talk to you about some of the products that I've been loving. I'm gonna prep the skin with this Inkey List moisturizer. You're gonna see this in a video very soon, but I've been testing it out. I've been loving seeing products like Inkey List, The Ordinary, these brands that are coming out with products that are at a very competitive price, but they have good ingredients. It's really exciting to see. All right, so now my skin feels super soft and prepped. And now I'm gonna go in with this Ilia True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. This has aloe vera in it, and I've been really enjoying it. I'm just going to, popping that on the middle of the face. It feels really cooling, which I really like. And it's sticky too. As soon as you press it into the skin, it gets very sticky, which I really like because then it feels like every product that you're gonna put on afterwards is going to adhere really nicely. So I'm really enjoying this. And now I am gonna go in with the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I feel so bad that, I don't know, I feel kind of bad that in my video when I was talking about the Ilia skin tint versus the Kosas, I had such a bad dry patch and I showed you how the product clings. I don't feel super bad because I was being very honest and that is what this product does, but I thought it would be nice to show you how this product works when my skin is balanced and doesn't have dry patches. So I'm gonna show you how it applies today. Shake this up, and this is my favorite way to apply it. Actually going to just directly drop it on the skin. And now I have like foundation tears. And then I just kind of like to pat it all over the face, kind of on each eyelid. And then I like to go in with a beauty blender and just blend it out like this. Super easy, and I find it gives me, it's just easier. I don't know, I don't like using my fingers. And I don't like using a brush with this product because I actually feel like I end up losing product. So how is everybody doing? We are, my gosh, I don't even know what day it is since we've been on lockdown here in California, but I'm losing track of my days. I don't know about you guys. What are you guys doing to stay busy? I would love to know. I'm still in school and I have 2 or 3 weeks left and then I finish. And it's just been really a lot. A lot of things required at the same time. And it's all, you know, that's how life is. It all happens at the same exact time. Like everything that you have going on usually falls in the same week or the same month. And that's just what it is. Okay, so now that I've put that on the skin, you can see that, and I will be doing a zoom in, don't you worry. You can see that it looks really, really glowy and dewy and giving me really, really good coverage too, which is lovely. Next, I'm going to go in with a mix of my favorite two concealers at the moment. This is the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer, and then this is the Physicians Formula Natural Defense, and I like to mix them. So I'm just gonna go in with the Ilia, and I'm just going to take that along any areas that need brightness. And then I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula, and this has like a little twisty cap that allows you to dispense the product. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. And I like it too because it has a little bit of sunscreen in it, SPF 30, which is really nice to see in a concealer. You don't often see that. And now I look like a pterodactyl. I don't know why I always feel the desire to eliminate the top lip, but ever since I started doing it, I feel like it's changed my makeup game so much, and I really actually enjoy doing it. I just feel like it gives me control in terms of how I can shape the lip line. Let me know if you guys like doing anything crazy like that, where it looks kind of crazy in the beginning, but then it all comes together. And there you have it. Now I'm completely canceled out, but fear not, I'm going to add dimension back into the face. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some kind of blush. I'm thinking a cream blush could be really fun. I'm gonna go in with the Ilia Multi-Stick in the shade Ladybird. This is like a brownie rosy nude. I'm just gonna swipe that onto the skin, almost like where I contour, and then I'm gonna bring it in closer. I'm also going to swipe it here, and I actually am going to take a little bit on the temples as well. And then I'm going to just blend it out with my beauty blender. I love applying my blush like this in a sweeping motion all the way up to my temple because I find that it just lifts the whole face, and I really like that effect. I don't like just keeping my blush in the cheek area. Now I'm going to take a regular old fluffy brush just to blend out what's on the eyes. All right, and now I'm going to go in and just set that with a powder blush. Oh God, I almost dropped it. This is the Sen Organics Mineral Blush in the shade Lively. I absolutely love this blush, mainly because it is so well priced. It has a lovely sheen to it, and it's like the perfect peachy pink without looking ridiculous. And I just like to take that over my cream products. Okay, next, I'm going to go in with the Kosas bronzer. These baked babies are stunning. It is such a gorgeous bronzer. It is so radiant, and it gives your skin just like a wash of, I don't know, like bronzing goodness. It just is so perfect for summer too. Kind of reminds me of the, I kept saying this in the first video where I tested these out, reminds me a lot of the Hourglass Ambient Lighting bronzers because it has like an iridescence to it. It's very multi-dimensional. Attacking the ear, you know how it is. Next, I love to dip my brush right in the bronzer, and I love taking that and just sweeping that in the eye crease. Little bit underneath the lip. But I'm gonna go in with this Tower 28. This is the No Shade Super Dew, and this is like a lovely little gloss. And I'm just gonna pop it on the upper Cupid's bow, and then I'm just going to pat it over what we have on the cheeks. I just want to add a little bit of radiance, and this is really nice. It plays really well over powders. It doesn't get weird. I really, really like it. Love that. Now I'm going to actually line the lips. This is one of my favorite lip liners. This is the Makeup Forever. This is the lip liner in the shade Whatever Walnut. You've seen this before if you are an OG. And I'm just gonna very subtly overline the top lip. All right, now that I've lined my lips, I am going to take the Ilia. This is a lipstick in the shade Rosette. And I'm just gonna pat that. I usually take my lipstick and I pat it in the outer corners, and I leave this middle area where I've put that concealer with less lipstick. That way I've kind of almost like contoured my lips without having to be like precise about it or anything, but I feel like it gives my lips a lot of dimension. And then the last thing I do to shape my lips is I usually take a gloss. This has been my favorite gloss of all time recently. This is the Tower 28. This is the lip gloss in Magic. It's just this beautiful pearlescent lip gloss. It's very, very reflective, but my favorite part is that it's not sticky at all. I usually am not even a lip gloss person because I hate how sticky they get. I just don't like that. I want my makeup to feel comfortable. Like, why does it have to feel like I'm wearing a gloss? And with these, they're so comfortable that I even put them on my eyelids if I want to do like a wet look. That's how comfortable they are. So I highly, highly recommend them. These products are not clean because I'm kind of determined to finish up what I have. And I really like these products. There's nothing wrong with them. But I am in the market for some new brow products when they finish, which they almost have. So if you have your favorite like brow products, let me know what you recommend. I really like this Hourglass Arch pencil. It's like the micro arch. It's really, really nice for just adding a little bit of definition, but in a very subtle way. And I'm kind of messy with my brows. I love like a fluffy look. And then I like to also flick upwards, like right in the front of the brow. I like to take the Benefit. This is the Gimme Brow. This one's in the shade 3. Just adds a little bit of fluff. And now for the taming of the brows, this is just the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I will say that this gel can get a little crispy, little flaky. If you add too much. But if you add a little bit, it's really nice and it will set the brows in place. But if you like to really slick your brows back, it kind of feels like a gel, you know what I mean? It's not very lightweight. Let's all guess together what mascara this is gonna be. Surprise, you guessed it. This is the Ilia mascara, the Limitless Lash. It's just my favorite. It just never clumps. It never does me wrong, and so I just have to stay faithful, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna go in with my Shiseido lash curlers. Now that the lashes are curled, I'm gonna go in with the mascara. And the last step, this is the Tower 28 SOS Save Our Skin Spray. I'm just gonna use this as a setting spray. I'm not gonna powder my face, but this is a really nice way to just blend all of those products together. And I love this spray. It's so lightweight, and you can use it as skincare or as makeup. So anyway, that is the finished look. I've been doing this look a lot lately. It's just very fresh, it's very summery. Let me do a little zoom in so that you can see how the skin is doing. All right, friends, let's gather around and observe together how the Kosas is not clinging today, which is really great because my skin is a lot more balanced. And you can see that the foundation, concealer, blush, highlight, they're all looking really, really good. And my skin just has this really lovely, fresh, and healthy glow to it, which is awesome. I don't have any products in my hands, and I'm gonna tell you why. I've decided to call this giveaway Sarah's Pick Your Product giveaway. I'm all about empowering you guys to make your own consumer decisions on what products you want to invest in. So I thought it would be really appropriate that for my first giveaway, it's going to be kind of in your hands. Now, my favorite brands of the last few months have been Tower 28, Sen Organics, Ilia Beauty, and Kosas Cosmetics. These are 4 brands that really, really stand out to me. And so the winner of this giveaway is going to be messaged directly by me via Instagram. And together, you and I are going to kind of go over which products would be best for you. And you can choose any of the 4 brands that I listed. And we're kind of gonna shop together, and I'm gonna buy products for you and send them to you. So it's gonna be super personal. I'm the one buying the products. This giveaway is in no way sponsored by any of these brands or by anybody. It's sponsored by me. It's my way of saying thank you so much to you. All of the instructions for the giveaway will be in the description box, but the basics are that you have to be subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram. Comment down below telling me which brand you are most curious about, which one would you probably choose if you won. So I hope that this has been super helpful for you. You can go back and check the videos that I mentioned so that you can figure out which brand would be best for you. But I just want to say again, thank you so much for supporting me. This channel has been such a positive thing in an incredibly strange and difficult time. And I don't want to go into that and bum people out, because truly, this channel for me has been such a ray of sunshine and positivity, and I hope that it's been the same for you. I cannot thank you enough for all of your support. Please be sure to subscribe. If you're on the fence, take the plunge, join the fam, and yes, apply for the giveaway, and we will find out in about a month's time. I will let you know when the giveaway closes. But I will see you guys in my next video very, very soon. All right, I'll see you soon. Oh my God, I don't want to say bye to you this time. It's so weird. All right, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye guys.